Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Ps4 is updated and you're signed into the PSN account that will own the theme. Once done, check you have funds or a linked payment method so purchases complete instantly. Next, open the PlayStation Store on the console, go to Themes, then choose Dynamic Themes. That gets you immediately to live wallpaper options, pick categories or search terms to narrow results, and prepare to preview choices you like. You should preview the dynamic theme so you know how the animation behaves and whether it distracts from UI elements. Make sure your console has enough free storage. Some dynamic themes are large and require room to install. After previewing, choose Buy or Download. The console will fetch and install the theme automatically. Watch progress in notifications. Once installed, the theme appears in your themes list. Don't apply it yet if you want to test multiple options back to back. Apply the live wallpaper from Settings. Go to Themes, select the dynamic theme you just installed, and choose Set as Active. You can toggle background music or animation options where offered. Make sure icon readability and menu performance remain good. If the theme doesn't appear, update your Ps4 system software, rebuild the database from safe mode to fix installation glitches, verify you're logged into the correct PSN region, or delete and re-download the theme to resolve corrupt files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.